Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to play Guitar Hero fast. To begin, focus on the fundamentals. Consistent practice of basic strumming patterns is crucial for developing a strong rhythmic foundation. Learning to quickly interpret the note highway will significantly improve your reaction time. Additionally, maintaining precise and consistent finger placement on the fret buttons ensures accuracy, especially as the song speed increases. These core skills are essential for any aspiring Guitar Hero master. Once you have a solid foundation, it's time to explore advanced techniques. Mastering hammer-ons and pull-offs allows you to hit multiple notes without strumming each one, saving valuable time and energy. Alternate strumming, moving your strum bar up and down, is vital for rapidly hitting consecutive notes. For the most challenging, incredibly fast sections, incorporating tapping with your non-fretting hand can provide a significant speed boost, enabling you to conquer even the most difficult solos. Effective practice is key to improving your speed. Begin by playing songs at a slower tempo, gradually increasing the speed as your accuracy improves. Utilize the game's practice mode to isolate and repeatedly play challenging sections until they become second nature. Many players find it helpful to slow down these parts to 50% or 75% of their original speed. Recording and reviewing your gameplay can also highlight specific areas where you need to focus your efforts. Beyond technique, ergonomics and mindset play a significant role in achieving high speeds. A comfortable and relaxed posture will prevent fatigue during long play sessions, allowing for sustained performance. Always ensure your guitar controller is properly calibrated to minimize input lag and maximize responsiveness. Finally, cultivating a focused and positive mindset, even when facing difficult sections, can significantly enhance your concentration and overall performance, helping you push past your current limits.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.